Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome cross-origin errors, step by step, fully updated for 2026. Cross-origin errors, also called KRS errors, happen when a website tries to request data from another domain without proper permissions. Chrome blocks this to protect your browser and data. First, understand why it happens. Browsers enforce CORS policies for security. If a website doesn't allow requests from your domain, Chrome will display errors like access control allow origin missing or cross-origin request blocked. If you're a user, there's little you can do except try a workaround. One option is to disable browser extensions that modify requests. Go to chrome://extensions and temporarily disable ad blockers or privacy extensions, then refresh the page. Sometimes these extensions trigger CORS issues. Next, clear your browser cache. Go to Settings, Arrow Privacy, and Security arrow. Clear browsing data. Select cached images and files, then click Clear Data. This ensures old request headers don't interfere. If you're a developer, the fix involves server configuration. Ensure the server includes the correct access control allow origin headers for the requesting domain. You can also use methods like CORS middleware in your backend framework to allow specific requests. Another tip for developers is testing locally. Use Chrome with a temporary flag. Type chrome://flags in the address bar, search for CORS, and enable the appropriate testing flag. Remember, never use this flag in production. It's only for local development. For public websites, check API documentation. Some APIs require specific headers or tokens to allow cross-origin requests. And that's it. By clearing cache, managing extensions, configuring servers properly, and following API guidelines, you can fix Chrome cross-origin errors safely and efficiently. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome troubleshooting tutorials.